Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-it-up video. I was perusing the Discord, the mix-up Discord, just answering questions. I thought this question was a good one, which is how do you show an overlay for whenever someone uses a channel reward? And why might you want to do that? You might want to do it for you, as far as if you just want to see like the last reward that was used, you want to look at your preview in OBS real quick to see what it was. Or um, let's say people are watching the VOD and channel rewards are happening, but they have no idea what's happening because they're just watching the VOD, they're not looking at chat. Or maybe it'll be easy to look at your screen and glance over a chat. Then you can have text display on the screen showing the reward that played, who played it, and how much they paid for it, so they can know that um, just simply that's what's happening in the stream right now. So yeah, I will show you how to do that. If you find these videos helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk to me about Twitch, Mix It Up, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. All right, so first of all, go to the menu in the top left, go to About, make sure you're on the same version. I'm on version 1.3.0.5. And next, what we'll do is we'll go to the menu in the top left, go to Events. Make sure you're in the Twitch category. Scroll down near the bottom. Click on Twitch channel points redeemed. And this is all you have to do. You're going to add exactly one action. It's an overlay action. Sorry, my nose is itchy. You add an overlay action. And make sure it's set to text. I've got mine set to a font size of 64, but my overlays are messed up, so 32 might be enough for you. Set the font that you want, set the font color that you want, and what you're going to put in the text is $ user display name redeemed $ reward name for $ reward cost channel points, or whatever you call your points. I call mine nuggies. But yeah, that's an example verbiage you could use for channel reward. And so now, whenever somebody uses a channel reward, it's going to show this on screen. Also for the positioning, it's up to you where you want to put it, but where I put it was I have the position type set to percentage, I have the X position set to 50, and the Y position set to 95. And then as far as the CSS, under text, I added these 3 lines. I'll read it to you, but I'll also post it in the description if you want to use this code. So yeah, CSS, go inside the brackets of .text and add these 3 lines. Background color, rgba, open parentheses, 165 and 165, and then 0.075. 0.075 gives a transparency. Each of these 3 numbers corresponds to a value for red, green, and blue, respectively. And this will make it so that the color is purple, like Twitch. Padding, I set to 20 pixels. Border radius, to give it more rounded edges, I gave it 20 pixels. And these are each important in case the CSS doesn't listen. This kind of like forces it to listen. So yeah, I will include that in the description if you don't want to type this out yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much how you set this up. And let me show you how it looks. I'll save it. I'll use a few of my redeems here. Oh, and I have it set to a duration of 10 seconds. So whether you want to make it shorter or not is up to you. Let's do another one. Let's try. This is one that has no audio, actually. but at least I'll still see it. I'll have some visual indicator that someone redeemed it. Okay, let's redeem one more. Here, let's redeem this one.
Good work, lassie.
And yeah, that's basically how it works. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like to, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. All right, thank you. See ya.